Buenos dias, amigos. It's about 6:30. We're heading to a hotel to get picked up as we're heading on a fishing trip this morning. And woke up around 5 a.m. It's still pretty dark outside. Puerto Vallarta is just about waking up soon to go work. There's an abundance of fish today. I hope, anyways. But yeah, so let's see what happens today. And definitely looking forward to this because I haven't fished in a long time, but deep sea fishing sounds to be, it's supposed to be really, really fun. We have arrived at the marina. Waters are calm. He's gonna get tired, lads. Oh, are you kidding me? Karlik. It's Karlis, man. Look at that curious hole. Yeah, you have to touch it. You have to touch it. Yeah. Momento. Love it. Stop it, lads.
What a fun fishing experience, and also magical because we saw some dolphins on our way back. All in all, it was a great success because, as is our motto, be kind and spread love. We only kept 3 fishes and donated the rest to the locals, which fed quite a few people. And we were blessed to have our fishes prepared that night by the local chef at Danielle's resort.